Alright, what's going on YouTube? Dapper Dan here, and today we are probably going to do the most exciting mod to the 48, and that is the exhaust. We'll unbox it here in a second, but look how much snow we got. There's just piles of it everywhere. So it's kind of warm today. It's about 50 degrees, so we're trying to get it installed. Hopefully I have all the right tools. And we'll see how it goes. It should be pretty simple. Just unbolt the stuff, unbolt the heads, unscrew the O2 sensors, take it off, and then put the new one together and put it on. So hopefully we can get it done. Alright, I will get to unboxing it now. Alright, here's it halfway unboxed. You got each header right there, and then you got the actual exhaust. The exhaust itself is actually silver, but it has black covers on it, so that'll be nice. And then over here we got some clamps and other hardware that we'll need. No instructions, so this will be fun. Anyways, we'll get it the rest of the way unboxed now. Alright, here's everything fully unboxed now. You got your front header there and the heat shield, and the rear header with the Y pipe. You got separate heat shields for that Y pipe and the header itself. And then here is the exhaust itself. As you guys can see, it's a Cobra. It's gonna look so good and sound so good. We'll go ahead and start it up real quick so you guys can hear the stock exhaust, and then we'll do a comparison, I guess. Alright, here's the stock exhaust. There you go. That is a very cold start. Has not been ridden in like 2 weeks, and it's still, temperature is kind of cold out. So that's what the stock exhaust sounds like. And now we'll get to disassembling. Well, you guys, I failed. I could not for the life of me get the foot peg off. You're supposed to get these off right here, and this one was starting to like strip it out, so I did not want to strip that out. We'll just take it to the dealership, and they have to take the exhaust off anyway to put on the thing, so we'll see if the labor is any different. So this was not, I knew there's gonna be something that slowed me down. There always is, but I could not get the foot peg off, which you need to do that to get the whole thing off, and I just couldn't do it. So we will we'll take it to the dealership, and we'll see. They'll obviously do it. I don't know how much they'll charge me, but we'll see. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this fail video. The next video will be taking it to the dealership and having them put the tune on. A little bit of pop there. Alright, here's the idle sound for you guys. And there it is from behind. I think there's a baffle in there too, I'm not quite sure. Nice. Anyway guys, that is it for the install. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you hit the thumbs up button. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think of the new exhaust. If you really enjoyed the video, share it with a friend. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.